Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip, we want to talk about a new technique for optimization, having objects, especially to instantiate object in our scene, which called object pooling. Okay, let's take a look at an example of object pooling at this side. I made an example scene. This is an empty scene which has a spawner which instantiate objects, the balls, and the ground, which is just a simple cube, big, and it's called big in ground. And we have a prefab which has a sphere collider and also a rigid body, and this script balls. Let's take a look at this script. The balls script has a private action, balls, kill ball, and whenever we want to understand when we want to kill this object, destroy this object, we will call it as a init, action ball, kill ball, and this variable, this action will be like this. When we wanted to do it, whenever we hit our ball hits the object which is called ground, kill ball this object. That means this ball object. Okay, let's take a look at the spawner, which has object pool. In the object pool script, first of all, we should have using Unity engine.pool. Unity Engine made this technology added to the Unity editor 2021 and upper. In the variable side, we can create public balls. It is the balls our script ball prefab, and also a spawn amount. This is integer, so we want to have 100 or 1000 or 10, doesn't matter. And private object pool, this is the pool of Unity engine. Object pool, kind of that balls script, and we call it pool. Okay, in the first moment, the story is whenever we want to create a lot of objects in our scene, we will instantiate them. But the method of object pooling says, okay, do you want to have 100 balls? Okay, instantiate them just one time. After 100 balls have been instantiated, in ball 101, we will use the ball object number 1. For ball 102, we will use object 2. In fact, after 100, we won't instantiate new object. We will use the previous one. Look at this. This is the thing. We have 100 objects in our hierarchy, but they won't instantiate always. After 100 object, it tries to get the previous one. For this reason, our performance is really fine right now. Look at this. GC allocated in frame to 0, and also the FPS is really fine. Okay, let's continue on this part. Void start pool equal new object pool balls here, and we will instantiate that object ball prefab. Okay, and the next part, look at this, it has a structure. At this part you will see first of all that object you want to create function, and also whenever you want to use, let's set active true. Whenever you want to don't use it, set active false, as far as you can see on line 21 and line 18. And whenever you want to destroy it, line 24, destroy ball object. And also whenever you want to collect them and sort them, in this part you can use it. That's it. In this structure you will have a pool with amount of prefab you want. And in this part, we will make them, generate them for the first one, for the first time, and also use them for the next time. Look at this. We have a for I less than all I smaller than spawn amount, and in here ball variable ball is pool.get. After we will generate the objects and put them in our pool, in the next time we will just get them, no generated again. And after that, set the transform position with the transform of our spawner and ball in it, kill ball. It will be ready for kill anytime. And in this part, whenever we want to kill an object, we just set active false. That's it. Pool.release.ball. No need to destroy object. In this part, as you can see, there is no destroy. After we hit the ground, the ball hits the object which called ground. Just call this function, this action, and in this action we will say, okay, just release it, return it to the pool, don't destroy it. Okay. It will be helpful for having so many users or many soldiers or many even bullets whenever you want to shoot with the gun, and it will be helpful for your optimization, especially for mobile device and tablets or even virtual reality headsets. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR, and subscribe my channel to following the futures tutorials. And don't hesitate to ask any question related to especially C# programming, which is provided in different section in our in my YouTube channel. And like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.